ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kadon Bosco Youth Center laim khra Shillong. Kawai ni Islam ai Jinghikai yaki samla puli hak khatlai te uyayong arja apsau. Kala pelong yak jing ai Jinghikai komno ban penkrea yak Central University Entrance Test. Professor Jacob Shilla ubalong noikai jong St Anthony's College Shillong ulalong nong ai Jinghikai hakni sngi. Swagani Director jong Don Bosco Youth Center Reverend Father Michael Makri ulap priang sungbai samla hakni sngi. Ulong bagni jing ai Jinghikai kalong banyarap ik samla puli bakin dobla bat penkrea bhai ladi banyorung syak Central University nakabenta ban peteng yak jing puli ki jongki. Ulai thuru bagni jing ai Jinghikai bamdan kam ban siu pisa kanyai beteng manlak sngi sajan ha Youth Center nadu mentau benaya yong bat jimbang arja apsau. Kanang bagi samla puli kin dobla shisha kumnu bat penkrea nakabenta kani ke X-Men. Hakani ke sngi la sakhi kuma shispa ngot lam ki samla ki bala poi shagani ke jing ai Jinghikai ai nakabenta jongki.
One thing that we have not talked about is CUET is going to cause a lot of students not to go forward, right? Okay, some students are saying maybe it's going to be too difficult, I will not study anymore. Some students will say it's going to be very expensive, I will not study anymore. Now, we will not go by that kind of thinking because that is going to be very negative. Okay, we have to be positive, we have to be strong, we have to be brave. Go forward but you might be a first rank holder in class 12, but you score very low in Cuet. You will not get admissions anyway. You understand? So what has happened? It is going to select only those students who can crack the exams and allow them to move forward. Even if you are the top student in the college or top student in the school, if you don't crack CUET, it means that you do not have the ability or you don't have the capacity to study for. Means that is very sad. How can a 2-hour exam decide the future? Right? So you must not allow that to happen to you. If you have been a good student in school, you should also be a good student when it comes to cracking the CUET exams. Okay.